Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to create a professional picture on Fiverr. So the first thing you have to do is let's assume you've created your account and you've opened it. um, you can click on your profile image here and then upload your image, but there's a trick to it. You can, if you have a good image, you can, but if you are running a faceless Fiverr account, you can always create an image. One of the tools I use is this website called this person does not exist.com. So you can just go to that website and create, and you see a beautiful image would always appear, and it's always females. Then I think you once you refresh the page, it will start giving you variations of men, women, children, and the like. So once you see a picture that speaks to you, you can always screen record screen have a screenshot of it or download it. But let me just say that there's usually a let's say a watermark here, so you may have to crop this out or just just crop the image and remove this. So once you've downloaded the image, you can just now go back to your Fiverr page and then click on the edit button to remove that particular picture, and then you'll be good as new. So this is how to actually edit or change your profile picture on Fiverr, or create a professional picture on Fiverr. Well, and you can also use AI, but I have not used that. I just wanted something real, so that's why I usually use the website this person does not exist.com. I'll see you guys in the next one. Please subscribe and let me know what you think about this video.